Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix SoundCloud not loading or not playing songs.
Fix 1. Check Internet and refresh Step 1. Ensure your device is connected to the Internet. Step 2. Refresh the SoundCloud app or website. Step 3. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Fix 2. Clear cache and data. Step 1. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, SoundCloud, Storage, Clear cache. Step 2. If needed, tap Clear data. You may need to log in again. Step 3. Restart the app. Fix 3. Update or reinstall apps. Step 1. Check the Play Store/App Store for updates and install them. Step 2. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. Fix 4. Disable browser extensions, web only. Step 1. Open SoundCloud in an incognito/private window. Step 2. If it works, disable browser extensions one by one. Fix 5. Check sound settings and device. Step 1. Ensure device volume isn't muted. Step 2. Test with headphones or another device.